Hey everyone, welcome to our channel. In today's video, we will guide you through how to fix iPhone 15 or Pro Max iMessage not working. So let's get started. First thing first, go to the Settings app on your iPhone, then scroll down till you find the message option available there. Once you tap on the message, then make sure that the message icon is toggled on. If it is turned off, then make sure to toggle it on. Also, ensure that your iPhone has a stable internet connection, either through Wi Fi or cellular data. iMessage requires an active internet connection to work. After that, try restarting your mobile device. Restarting your iPhone can often fix many temporary glitches. Press and hold the power button until slide to power off appears, then slide to power off. Wait a few seconds, then press and hold the power button again until the Apple logo appears. After that, go to the settings again. Now, inside settings, tap on the general, then tap on software update to check for and install any available updates. Ensure that your iPhone is running the latest version of iOS. After that, go back to the general again. Once on general, scroll down till the bottom and tap on the transfer or reset iPhone. Then tap on reset. Then reset network settings. Resetting network settings can often resolve connectivity issues. So that is it. If you found this video helpful, please like, share and subscribe, and thank you for watching.